Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Distributedcom 116 error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to delete the registry key. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type regedit and select Registry Editor from the search results. Now in here, simply navigate to the following location: HKey local machine, then expand software, afterwards expand Microsoft, and in here scroll way down until you find the OLE folder. Now in here what you have to do is delete the following keys: default access permission if you have it, then default launch permission, machine access restriction, and machine launch restriction. And then you can save the changes by restarting your computer. Then you can check if the problem still persists. And that's it, super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.